Hi, here is the Canon F-1 old version, the first version, the overall conditions. Okay, so here is the battery compartment using one AR44 battery. Okay, it's like this only. The positive is face outside. And here is the on-off button of the light meter. Okay. Then we try to equip the FD lens first. Okay. Here is the shutter speed. Here pull out to adjust the ISO. Here can pull out. Okay. Then when you look into the viewfinder, you find out at the right side here. Wait, I try to. Got a needle and the circle. So all you need is just adjust the circle to match the needle will do. Means that it's correct exposure. Okay. Yeah. It will show you the current shutter speed is below the bar there. Okay. Then here you look like when it's clear, then it's clear. Okay. The circle part of this. Then it's a fully mechanical camera. If it without battery, it cannot use the light meter only. Otherwise, all you can shoot. Okay. Next step is to open the viewfinder, top viewfinder. Here and here got a button. You press them together and push it, and we can take out the prism. Okay. And when you take out the prism, you cannot see the light meter. Okay, so only when you equip this, you can check whether the setting is correct or not, like that. Okay, then when you put it inside, make sure you put it carefully to fit it. If not, it will stuck. Okay, wait, sorry. Okay, then when you want to open it, press this silver button to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. So I've replaced the light seal, so no worry in using. Yeah, the lens is a little bit dusty. Okay, wow, overall is okay. And here is the timer. Pull it down, and click it. It will trigger the timer. So overall it's like this. Hope you enjoyed.